How to add Discord link to YouTube channel on iPad. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already copied the link of the Discord server that you want to add in your YouTube channel. Once you have copied the link of the Discord server, what you have to do is head towards the YouTube studio. You will land to the channel dashboard page. Now at the left corner, you're going to find different icons. Click on this one icon, channel customization. Under that, you'll find different options. Navigate to the option of basic info. Then scroll down. Here you will see this section, links. Click on the option of add link. First, you'll need to give a title. Then over here, you can paste the copied link of the server. After you do that, click on publish. Well, this way you can easily add Discord link to YouTube channel on iPad. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.